Welcome back to Street to Strength. We're at Kokomo Harley today, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, at Kokomo Harley today, they're having a bike night and a food truck festival over here. Figured I'd come check it out. I hardly ever come to any of these bike nights. I don't know why. It's a good excuse to get out and ride, and it's a nice day. You get to see so many people, so I'm definitely going to be coming back to some of these. So join me as I enjoy this place, guys. So one good thing is the shop is open, and Alexis got me a gift card for here for Christmas, so that was hell 6 months ago, and I've not spent it, so I got to look at some hats over here. I think I landed on one. It's got my favorite logo on there, the #1. But I've never had a white hat before. It's always been gray or black, so I'll get it. It's free money to me, so thank you, Alexis. We'll see how this hat works out for me. All right, got my white hat on. What do you guys think? If it looks bad, you gotta tell Alexis, because she's the one that technically bought it for me, so it's her fault. But isn't this great just to be here and you just hear the bikes in the background? Just so nice, man. I love this time of year. It's beautiful outside. That's why I hate Indiana so much. We got winter. Oh yeah. Can't ever get over that sound. So I'm gonna head out, guys. Just a quick video here, just for this bike night. Had a pretty good time. Ate some good food. Bikes all over the place. But I gotta work tonight, so I'm gonna get out of here. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Tell all your friends to do the same thing, and then we will see you guys on the next one.